Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate RDS Proxy for improved application resilience, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate RDS Proxy for improved application resilience, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon RDS service from the Services menu. In the RDS dashboard, select the Proxies option from the sidebar menu. Click on the Create Proxy button to initiate the setup process. Choose the RDS database that you want to associate with the proxy. Next, give your proxy a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. Select the appropriate VPC where your database is hosted. You must configure the IAM role that allows your proxy to connect to your RDS instance. If you don't have an IAM role yet, create one with the necessary permissions. Decide on the authentication method for your proxy. You can use IAM authentication or database authentication based on your application needs. Next, set the maximum connection pool size according to your application requirements. Configure the idle client timeout, which controls how long connections remain open when not in use. Review the settings you have selected to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Create Proxy button to deploy it. Wait for the proxy to be created, which may take a few moments. Once created, you can view your new proxy on the RDS dashboard. Now, update your application's database connection string to point to the proxy endpoint instead of the RDS. Test your application to ensure that it connects through the RDS proxy successfully. Monitor the performance and resilience of your application as it interacts with the proxy. Adjust the proxy settings if necessary, based on the observed application behavior. With these steps completed, your application should now benefit from improved resilience through RDS Proxy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.